Good morning, students. Welcome to grade 9 mathematics class. In the previous class, we learned about the commutative property of set union and set intersection, isn't it? What is the commutative property of set union? A union B is equal to B union A. What is the commutative property of set intersection? A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Isn't it? Today we are going to learn about associative property. In associative property, we have set union and set intersection. Okay. What is the associative property of set union? No? A union, see this. First one, associative property of set union. Okay. A union bracket B union C equal to A union B bracket union C. Okay. Similarly, associative property of set intersection, that is A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay. Associative property of set union is A union bracket B union C equal to A union B bracket union C. Associative property of set intersection is A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection bracket, A intersection B bracket A intersection C. Okay, these are the associative property of set union and intersection. See this example. It was in page number 21. Associative property of set union and set intersection. A is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2. B is equal to minus 3, 0, 2, 3. C is equal to 0, 1, 3, 4 are the given three sets. Okay, associative property meaning associative property, to verify associative property we need three sets. Okay, commutative property we need two sets. Okay, for associative property we need three sets. Okay, ABC three sets we need. First of all, bracket inside we have. Now first we are going to verify the associative property of set union. What is the concept? A union B union C is equal to A union B bracket union C. First of all, LHS side bracket inside B union C is there. Okay, so that bracket inside first we are going to find out B union C equal to B set union C set. When we are combining together, we get minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, LHS side fully. A union bracket B union C is equal to the set A union the set B union C. When we combine together, we get minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, RHS side we have, first condition RHS side we have A union B bracket union C. Okay, so bracket inside A union B is there. First we are going to find out A union B. That is A set union B set. Okay, A set union B set we get minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now together, right RHS side we have A union B bracket union C. This together we are going to find. That is equal to, this first set is A union B. Next set is C. Okay. Now we are going to combine together. We get minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equation number 2. Now we have to compare the equations 1 and 2. What we get, both the sets are same. Okay, all the elements are same. So we can say from 1 and 2, A union B union C is equal to A union B bracket union C. Okay, this is the associative property of set union. Next, associative property of set intersection. What is the associative property of set intersection? The second formula. A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection bracket, sorry, A intersection B bracket C. Okay, this is the second one. So for this, first of all, only LHS. First bracket inside value we have to give the preference. Okay, so B intersection C first we have to find out. Okay, B intersection C is equal to common part of B and C. Okay, common value of B and C, that is 0, 3. Okay, next LHS side together, A intersection bracket B intersection C. We get A set intersection B intersection C set. What we get? Only 0 is the common for both the set. So 0. That is equation number 3. Okay. Now RHS side. RHS side is, what is the RHS side? A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay. First we have to find out A intersection B. Bracket inside value only first we need to find out. So A intersection B. That is A intersection B is 0, 2. A set intersection B set. Okay, A set intersection B set. Only common values are 0 and 2. Okay, now together A intersection B bracket intersection C, which is equal to A intersection B is 0, 2. Intersection C value is 0, 1, 3, 4. C set. Okay. Now we have to find the common part of common value of this both set. We get only 0. It is equation number 4. Now equation 3 and 4 we have to compare. When we compare, both sets are same. Okay. By that we can say from the equations 3 and 4 we verified the LHS and RHS. So commutative property of set intersection is verified. Okay. Understood, students? So if they ask commutative property of set union, first formula we have to verify. If they ask commutative property of set intersection, second formula we have to verify. So both formula you have to learn thoroughly. Okay. Now let's do the example 1.20. Okay. So example 1.20 is A is equal to minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, and the B set is equal to 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2, and the C set is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. Then verify A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. What is it? Associative property of set intersection. Okay. Sometimes they won't give this condition. We have to write. If they ask to verify associative property of set intersection, this formula we have to write and we have to verify. Okay. Now given values, let's write. First of all, A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to. These are the given sets. Now, first LHS side we have to prove. Okay, that is equation number 1. Next RHS side we have to prove, that is equation number 2. Then we have to compare the equation 1 and 2. By that LHS and RHS are same, can be same. Okay, so LHS equal to left hand side. Okay, LHS equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C. Okay, first bracket inside value we have to complete, that is B intersection C equal to B set. What is the B set? This one 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Then intersection C set, that is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. Now we have to find the common value. What are the common value here? The common elements in the both set. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, then 2 is there, 5 by 2 is there. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. These are the common elements. Okay, which is B intersection C. Now LHS side we have A intersection bracket B intersection C. So that next A intersection bracket B intersection C we have to find out. Okay, which is equal to A set. Now what is the A set? Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, intersection B intersection C, meaning this one. Okay, that is 1 by 4 comma 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of this. Okay, so A intersection B intersection C we have to find out. What are the common in both sets? We have 1 by 4 comma 2. Okay, 1 by 4 and 2, both elements are in both sets. Okay, these are the common. This is A intersection B intersection C. So it is equation number 1. Okay, LH side over. Similarly, RH side we have to take. RH is equal to, what is the RH side? A intersection B bracket intersection C. First of all, this A intersection B we have to find out. Okay, so A intersection B is equal to the set A, that is minus 1 by 2 comma 0 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 2 intersection this one A, then intersection B. B is 0 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of these two sets. Okay, what are the common values? 0 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 2. Okay, these four values are in both sets. Okay, 0 0 1 by 4 1 by 4 3 by 4 3 by 4 2. Okay, that only common value we have to take. This is A intersection B. Now together or which is said, that is A intersection B bracket intersection C, which is equal to this set. A intersection B, this set 0 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 2 intersection C value. What is the C set given? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of this. What are the common value here? 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 2. These two are the common. Okay, that is 1 by 4 comma 2. Okay, it is A intersection B bracket intersection C. So give equation number 2. Now compare the equations 1 and 2. What we get from the equations 1 and 2? Same value we are getting, is it? So we can say from 1 and 2 we verified that from the equations 1 and 2 verified that both sides same value we are getting. So can we say A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay, so set what we verified now here, what is it? Associative property of set intersection B verified. Okay, so understood, students? The next question is exercise 1.4 question number 4. Okay, verify the associative property of intersection of sets for A is equal to minus 11 comma root 2 comma root 5 comma 7 and B is equal to root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13 and C is equal to root 2 comma root 3 comma root 5 comma 9. Okay, so same way last question we did know, that same procedure we have to use. Okay, third one is homework, that is associative property of set union. So you have to verify the condition A union B bracket union C is equal to A union B A union bracket B union C. Okay, that condition you have to verify. That while telling homework I will explain that one. Now here let us do what we have to verify to prove. Let us write the given sets. Given A is equal to minus 11 comma root 2 comma root 5 comma 7 comma B is equal to root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13 and C is equal to root 2 comma root 3 comma root 5 comma 9. Okay, to prove, what we have to prove? To prove A intersection bracket B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, this one we have to prove. First LH side. What is the LH side? LH is equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C. First bracket inside B intersection C we are going to find out is equal to B set, that is root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13 intersection C value. What are the C value? Root 2 comma root 3 comma root 5 comma 9. Now intersection part, common value of this both, which is the common root 3 comma root 5 are the common. Okay, now A intersection B intersection 3, B intersection C, okay, which is equal to, now what is the A set? Minus 11 comma root 2 comma root 5 comma 7 intersection B intersection C is root 3 and root 5. Root 3 comma root 5. Now we have to write the common value of this both set. Which are the common value of this both set? We have find out only root 5 are the common. Okay, root 5. That is A intersection B intersection C, which is equation number 1. Similarly, RHS side. Okay, what is the RHS side? RH is equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay, first bracket inside value need to find out. That is A intersection B is equal to A set. What are the values of A? Minus 11 root 2 comma root 5 comma 7. Okay, intersection B set is root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of this two. What we get? Only root 5. Only root 5 is the common for both set. Okay, so only root 5 can be write with the set bracket. This is A intersection B. Similarly, we have to find the RHS value fully. That is A intersection B bracket intersection C. That is equal to A intersection B is root 5. Root 5 intersection C set. Okay, what is the C set? Root 2 comma root 3 comma root 5 comma 9. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of this both set. Only root 5 is the common. Okay, so left side we have to write A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay, now this is equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we have to check it whether is it same or not. Okay, so from 1 and 2, from the equations 1 and 2 we verified that set intersection of associative property is it, otherwise associative property of set intersection. What is the condition? A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. Okay, understood students? Next exercise 1.4 question number 5. If A is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power N, comma N belongs to W and N less than 4. N belongs to W means whole number, so 0 onwards. But less than 4. So what are the values will come? Here X is equal to 2 power N. So N is equal to, what are the values will come now? N is equal to, belongs to W. So N is equal to 0 on 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 will not come. Why no? Less than given. Okay. Here X is equal to 2 power N. So when N is equal to 0, when N is equal to 0, what is the X value? X is equal to 2 power N is the given condition. In place of N we have to give 0. 2 power 0 which is equal to any number to the power 0 is 1. Okay, X is equal to 1. Next, when N is equal to 1. Okay, when N is equal to 1, when N is equal to 1, X is equal to 2 power N is there, but N is equal to 1, no? So 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Next n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 power 2, which is equal to 2 power 2 is 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, next n is equal to 3. When n is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, a set is equal to, what are the values? First n equal to 0 means we are getting 1. So 1 comma, next 2 is getting, next 4 is getting, first 1 is getting, then 2 is getting, then 4, then 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, a value. Similarly, b value we have to find out. Okay, b is, what is the given b? B is given, b is equal to set of x such that x is equal to 2n. A is 2 power n, here 2n, that is 2 into n. Okay, don't collapse here. N belongs to capital N and n less than or equal to 4. So capital N means natural numbers. Okay, so here n value we have to write. X is equal to 2n. N value is natural number starts from 1, no? So 1 comma up to 4, less than or equal to given, so up to 4, 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now need to find out when n is equal to 1, then n is equal to 1, what is the x value? X is equal to 2n. Okay, x is equal to 2n, which is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, first of all, when n is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 we are getting. Next, n is equal to 2. Next, n is equal to 2 value we have to give. Okay, n is equal to 2. When n is equal to what we are getting? When n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, then when n is equal to 3, when n is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then when n is equal to 4, x is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so what are the values of b? B is equal to, say when n is equal to 1, what value we are getting? When n is equal to 1, we are getting 2, is it? So 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Okay, now we have to verify. To prove, what we have to prove? The question is verify the associative property of set intersection. Okay, so to prove, what is the associative property of set intersection? A intersection B bracket intersection C equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C. Okay, this one you have to prove. Okay, now LHS. LH is equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. First of all, need to find the bracket inside value A intersection B. Okay, which is equal to A set is 1, 2, 4, 8 into, and intersection B set is 2 comma this one 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Okay, now common value of both, which is the common 2, 4, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 8. Now LHS together A intersection B intersection C equal to, that is this 2 comma 4 comma 8 intersection C value. Okay, what is the C set given? What is the C set given? C is given 0. It was given in the question itself. Okay, 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6. Now we have to write the common value of both. Okay, what are the common value of both set here? 2 comma only 2 is the common. Okay, 2. Okay, so A intersection B intersection C is equal to equation number 1. Similarly, RH side. Okay, what is the RH side? RH is equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C. First of all, bracket inside value need to find out. That is B intersection C, which is equal to, what is the B set we have? B set is 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection. C set is, what is the C set? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, now we have to find out the common value of both sets. Which are the common? 2, 2, then 6. Okay, 2 and 6 is the common. Now RH side together, that is A intersection bracket B intersection C is equal to, A set is 1, 2, 4, 8 intersection, B intersection C is this one. Okay, 2, 6. Now we have to write the common value of this 2. Okay, which is the common? Only 2 is the common. Okay, only 2 is the common. So let's write the 2 element alone. Okay, so I am writing here only 2 is the common. Okay, so which is equal to only 2. This one is A intersection bracket B intersection C is equal to only 2. It is equation number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, from the equations 1 and 2, 1, 2, verified that what we verified? A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C. Okay, understood? So there is a homework. What is the homework now? Exercise 1.4 third question. Okay, what is the third question now? A value is given PQRS, B is given MNQST, C is given MNPQS. Verify the associative property of union of set. What is the associative property of set union? This condition. Okay, A union bracket B union C is equal to A union B union C. So first of all, ABC value you have to write. After that, bracket inside B union C. Okay, then A union B union C together. That is equation number 1. After that, RH set. First bracket inside we have to find out. A union B need to find out. Then A union B bracket union C. Okay, so do it, learn the classwork portion properly and do the homework. Okay, these are the today's portion. Okay, thank you students.